Nicholas Weadeck, asylum seeker from Cameroon. So this is the Arduino device setup. This is Arduino board. This is the sensor. This is the LED. We have the resistor. So, and our coding system or program, the Arduino program. So as you can see clearly, the essence of this exercise is to program our sensor and the Arduino board such that it gives us or detect distances. So you can see this has been programmed in such a way that equal distance of 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 15 centimeters, each of which this respective LED is going to light. For example, if I come closer with my hand, you can see that is the distance of equal 15 centimeters. So by the time I pass it and go closer, you have the red LED, which is a distance of 10 centimeters. And when I go further, you now have the blue LED, which is a distance of 5 centimeters. All has been programmed using the Arduino program and the Arduino board. So this is the sensor which detects the distances, and the LED indicates the respective distances from which I move my hand in front and backward.